Let's talk about cardiovascular disease. A lot of people are still unclear, and I think a lot of doctors are unclear as to how cholesterol exactly damages your arteries. And let me give you an example. I'm an ultrasound technician. I have a machine here, and with this machine, I can see inside my body. So what I want to point out here is that this right here is an example of my carotid. It comes up and it splits into two. The big artery feeds my brain. The little artery feeds my nose and face with blood. Blood comes up right here and it splits. But like if you've ever seen a stream in a mountain or water pushing around something, it doesn't split evenly. There's always eddies in the stream. So back to the cholesterol. If you have a really dense LDL particle and it comes up the pipe here and it doesn't split evenly, if that little molecule gets pushed into this little thin lining, this lining is the intima and media of your artery. It's used in research to track inflammation in your arteries. It's used to track plaques. And what we do is it's used to track the efficacy of pharmaceuticals like statins, Crestor, Lipitor, stuff like that. Anyways, those drugs need to see proof that it does some improvement, and they do statistically reduce the number of heart attacks out there, and they do statistically, I see, calcify these plaques. These plaques are dangerous because they start out soft and runny, and over time they become pimples. They can pop, and when that goo hits your blood, you have trouble. So with my ultrasound machine, I can see two things. I can see the inflammation in the lining, and I can see these individual little plaques. I can tell you how old they are. I can tell you the risk of a stroke or a heart attack. There's a lot of research out there. And so we've created a nice report to tell people if they have this heart disease. There's a lot of tools out there, and we'd like to help you address heart disease. We've all got family members. We've all been affected, and no more. We can see this. We can fight this. Vasal Labs is here. We're coming to your city, and we'll deliver this report and help you hatch a plan to make sure your heart attack and stroke